Hey guys, Mark Moss here from Pressure Mate. I'm here to show you our new patent pending 12 volt pressure washer. We introduced it in the marine market just to give you guys something to be able to clean your boat up immediately. Once you throw a fish in the boat, it takes you minutes to be able to clean it up and immediately go back to fishing. Watch how simple this is. So you take your wand with a quick connect, easily attached, check it. Take the hose, another quick connect, hook it up, and you're ready to hook up into your remote. This particular boat is installed with a male remote up underneath the gunnel, so there's no catching. You're easily hooked in. Now your system is ready to go. Hey guys, another thing that we offer for an option is our foam cannon. Pressure Mate, you're able to take your wand off, hook in the foam cannon, turn it on, and now you're able to rinse your boat off. Okay guys, you turn around and you take this and hit that foam option, come right down. Let that foam work for a little bit before you turn around and fire up your pressure washer and clean it off. No scrubbing, no nothing. Hey guys, one option that you have is you're able to remove the tip from the wand, put it directly on your handle, make sure it's tight, then you're able to then immediately do close-up work without the length of the wand.